exclusion zone water you have, the better your mitochondrial function and the better your ability to make your own antioxidants goes up. How do you use NanoVi to change the structure of water inside my cells?
So you hit it. It's all about exclusion zone water, which only forms on surfaces, which could be the cell membrane, the mitochondria, and especially the proteins. Because in the cell, there might be 10,000 or more proteins in one cell. They're very small, they're all over the place, and they create a lot of surface area. And so if exclusion zone water only forms on surfaces, it forms in layers. Then if you can increase that exclusion zone water, which I call the exclusion zone because if everything else is pressed out because the water molecules are so closely packed together that everything else is excluded. And we call that ordered water. And that ordered water surface has to form on proteins. And quite a long time ago, they figured out that it was the water that enabled the proteins to fold, which they have to do before they function. And if you have unfolded or misfolded proteins, you have liabilities. So they have to fold or they can't work, and they get the energy to fold from the water. And so that part was all known in cell biology, and in NanoVi, we just leveraged it by helping improve the ordered water in the cells to support the protein folding, and the body takes over. And that's why I said earlier, it's just the environment, it's the water that we're influencing. And after that, the body really does, it knows what to do. It's the most regenerative machine imaginable almost.
You imagine if some of the water in your cells is not exclusion zone water because your body didn't do a good job of converting the water. There's all kinds of environmental things that lower the amount of this water. You must have this water to make ATP, the Krebs cycle, which was really fundamental to my longevity book and my brain book, actually. I think of it like a little motor. It goes around, but if it's in the wrong fluid, it doesn't have the right amount of viscosity. So you can't make energy. And if you can't make energy, you can't make more exclusion zone water. And if you're low on energy because you're low on exclusion zone water, the body has these things that are necessary to do to stay alive right now. And then it has things that are necessary to do to repair and maintain and extend your longevity. It will automatically stop doing all the maintenance stuff, including folding proteins or repairing proteins, if you don't have enough exclusion zone water. And you look at what does cancer look like? Well, there's misfolded proteins. So a deficiency of exclusion zone water is a problem.
Yeah.
So you could try to drink exclusion zone water, which I think helps, or you could breathe it. And then the results are actually stunning.